Galaxy Watch 5 Pro specification. GPS route tracking, auto workout tracking, 2x tougher sapphire crystal glass face ready and reliable for the great outdoors. Your guide to adventure. Track your burn, turn by turn. Get out there and explore the great outdoors. GPS with voice navigation helps you find your way from your wrist. Go the distance, then use TrackBack to trace your steps back to where you started. Staying on trail is easy thanks to voice and vibration guided turn-by-turn navigation for cyclists and hikers. Improved battery power to outlast your adventure. Go hard knowing that Watch 5 Pro can keep up with an improved battery made for lengthy adventures. Health monitoring, ready, set, goals. BioActive Sensor, never miss a beat. Get more accurate wellness readings with the redesigned BioActive Sensor. The improved shape gets closer to your skin to track your heart rate and more. Know your body from the inside out. The Bioelectrical Impedance Analysis Sensor, BEA, gives you insights into your body composition data like body fat and skeletal muscle. Fitness tracking, watch the gains add up. Make the most of every outdoor adventure. Auto workout tracking recognizes some activities like running and swimming automatically in just minutes. You can also manually track more than 90 exercises, including complex activities like HIIT. Sleep tracking, your new nighttime routine. Develop better sleep habits the smart way. Advanced sleep coaching holistically analyzes your sleep stages, then provides tips, checklists and nightly sleep reports to manage your overall sleep quality. Durability, built tough for outdoors. Now 2x stronger with a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal face. 1 Plus, a water-resistant, titanium body has got your back, from mountaintop to river rapids. 11 So go ahead, get physical. Seamless connection, connect, sync, explore, stay connected and access apps on adventures when you pair your Watch 5 to your Galaxy smartphone. And with optional LTE connectivity you can call, text and stream from anywhere without your phone or Wi-Fi. Smart Switch. Don't waste those workouts, keep fitness data from previous Galaxy watches with Smart Switch. Design. It's about time a watch looked this good. Bespoke Studio. Make it your own. Enter the Bespoke Studio to customize your unique look. With a range of combinations, you can mix and match to make it your own. Watch faces. A look for every adventure. Customize your look with a wide array of watch faces. Consistent with IP68 rating, water resistant in up to 5 feet of water for up to 30 minutes. Show more. Compatibility for Galaxy wearable apps, Android 8.0 or later, 1.5 GB of RAM. 4G LTE standalone connectivity only available on Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 LTE, Galaxy Watch 4 Classic LTE versions.
I sincerely appreciate your attention today. And that brings us to the end. I'd like to thank you for your time and attention today. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. Give your supports. Thank you.